My name is Arvind Sharma. I am a certified data science mentor by Google or Microsoft. Today our topic is Python. Now we are going to learn about Python. Python is an interpreted high-level programming language. Okay, as well as Python is interpreted, Python is object-oriented, or Python is beginner's language, because Python is easy to learn. So firstly, if we want to like code in other programming language, and okay, firstly we want to like coding start. So start with Python, because Python is the beginner's language. Why interpreted? Because Python is processed at the runtime by the interpreter. Okay, you don't need to compile your program before executing it. Python similar is PL and PHP. And the Python is also object-oriented because its support is object-oriented style or technique of program. Okay, and Python is beginner's language. I also talk about the beginner's language. And now, history of Python. Python is created by Guido van Looijuu. Python is created by Guido van Looijuu in during the 1985 to 1990. Okay, why learn Python? Why learn Python? So Python is open source. Because, which means it's available free of cost. It is available free of cost. Okay, as well as Python is simple and easy to learn, as well as much demanded programming language in the market stock. Okay, so here clear about the Python is interpreted, object-oriented, and the history of the Python. Okay. Now, suppose if we want to write a first code. Okay. If we want to write a first code. Okay. But if you want to write a code, first code in a C or C++. So firstly, you write a has include studio.h, has include conio.h, both of C and C++, as well as Java, in Java, like white man, okay, many more things. But if you want to write a code in Python, first Python code, so no need of has include, no need of has conio.h. Only here we write a print and bracket and double inverted comma and type welcome in tutorial point. Welcome in tutorial point. And after run, your output is welcome tutorial point. Okay, this is our first code. This is our Python first code. Okay, no need of has include, no need of conio.h. Only we write print and our sentence. That's it. Stop. Okay. After that, why Python learn and what is the career in Python? So here, career with Python here. As I mentioned, career with Python. After learn of Python, we become a game developer, web designer, Python developer, full stack developer, as well as data scientist, also DevOps engineer, and etc. That's it.